Finally starting this project of the 1/24th scale RC track. We're going to have multiple levels, probably at least 3 on the majority of the table. And this is me just putting it together, and Arnie's going to join me a little bit later. And I'm pretty much just making it up as I go along. I've just been collecting cardboard and styrofoam for a few months and sticking it out in the garage, and this is just cutting pieces out, deciding as I go. I'm trying to have at least a dozen tracks to take so it doesn't get boring. You can go through each way. We want to have specific obstacles, and you'll see like the stick bridge in this one. And I got a surprise that I haven't seen done yet on one of these, and so that's something to look forward to. But I'm just using a hot glue gun and an electric stapler to get things going and put down. In the future, we're going to be utilizing some chicken wire and building a lot of elements. And the theme for this one is going to be Utah. So we're going to do some arches and red rock type of elements. And so that's how it's going to kind of look in the end. And we're going to try to do some specific scale things that exist in places like Moab and other places that I like. And so I don't know how it's all going to go. This is the first time building something like this, and so I'll try to describe some of the processes, but you can kind of see what I'm doing. And it's pretty messy to begin with, but I stop every so often and test things out, make sure, there you go, see how things work. And hope you guys enjoy it. And this is going to be a series of videos because, this video itself probably covers at least 5 hours worth of work. Most of it was by myself, and some of it's just standing there thinking of what to do next and trying some things out. And so it's kind of slow going, but as you can see, I'm not boring you with, real-time video. But you can see how I just kind of think things through and get things organized and try them out, make sure things work, and see how it goes. So here I've collected a few cool red rocks, and I just wanted to try actual rocks on the table. I don't think that they're going to go here, but just trying something out. Got Arnie helping me out today. He's charging his... What did you get?
Oh gosh, I got the, what was the other one?
Yours is the SCX10, but yours is like something else.
Yeah, mine is something else. We'll get back to you guys on that.
Honcho, isn't it? No, it's not the Honcho.
Oh my gosh, I gotta check. I gotta find out. But I will, and I'll let you guys know for sure.
But we're continuing now. We just cut this piece for a hill climb. And at first I thought it was too steep with the just slick cardboard, but it actually worked, and it'll be I don't know if I want to do it much steeper, but maybe we'll try. Taking a break, letting Arnie try out his. Yours is the deadbolt.
Deadbolt.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can. No.
Maybe. Back.
There you go. Ooh, mine's not gonna go up, man.
Oh,
What?
Arnie's trying the hill climb. That was fail number one.
No way.
Try it again.
Yours has the weight though.
Yeah. So it does make a difference.
Yeah, it does make a big difference.
Attempt number 3, full speed, go for it.
Oh, it might.
You got scared. Arnie's gonna attempt full send up the steep.
Oh,
Just slippery cardboard. And okay, attempting the hard way across. Has a bit of a hill climb at the end. Whoa, going off already. Oh, cake. Oh. Okay, he's gonna start doing the easy way for the bridge. All right, this is another night where it's just me, and I'm starting to try and do the internal tracks for the big wall, and I'm working on the second level, but on the inside of that track, I want to try to do another climb up to a pinnacle in between, like about the midsection, and also have it come back down all the way to the ground. So from the second level, it'll go up high, almost to like I guess the third level, and then it'll come down to all the way to the ground level. And in this area, I'm working on a tunnel to go through and put a lift. We got a hot wire, and man, that cuts really nice. So I'm looking forward to experimenting with that a little bit more. So this is the hill I was talking about that goes on the inside. So this area will actually have 4 levels that are rideable. Some go next to each other, so that inner top part is just one all the way across. And then the lower one, which would be the second level, is about, it goes maybe possibly 2 ways, at least in the backside. And so in this one, I want to go all the way down because I want to have a couple more climbing areas just so we can give ourselves some more hard course action that we can try and do. This area on the second level, I want to have just go straight across. So I just measured the width, make sure I got it tire width. And I'm just gluing popsicle sticks on the front and back, trying to make it, you know, easy to go start it, but trial it out. If you fall in the middle, then you're kind of more screwed. And then the chicken wire part I'm doing right now, we want to create a big arch going from, I guess, the 4th level now to the 3rd level on the other corner. So I'm using paper that was in some packaging that I had to try and keep
the foam from just going down to the floor. And so I don't know if I'm gonna peel it away after or leave it, but I've got it also on a big arch part right up here. Also, I've been going around and trying to make sure everything fits. This is gonna be a cave that comes out the side from inside, and then hopefully the climbing wall will still work. I was having problems testing it out earlier. And then we think we want to do a bridge that is weighted, so when it gets to a certain length it drops down. I think that's how, but then it'll only be one way coming back that way. So we're not sure yet that that's what we're going to do. And then we cut out some arches so that we can see one of the layers at least. Here's that cave that'll come out. And then on the inside here, we made another internal climbing wall. It goes up and then back down. And then this also goes through to the wood bridge as well. This is the other end where it's pretty steep. We're hoping it'll be another route going down or up. And then also on that second level, the wood bridge, got to stay on center. A few little catchers if you blow it at the beginning or end. I wasn't sure about, I just put this cardboard on the top to basically try to access the bridge. And I don't know if I'm gonna leave it because it does kind of work, or if I'm gonna change it, but for now, this is how it is. And so there's a couple more elements that are gonna be a surprise, including a feature I've not seen on any tracks. And so here's the progress so far. We're probably about 8 hours, maybe, working into it. But there you go. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this video here and stay tuned. We're gonna start filling the spaces and voids and really start shaping it and giving it the look that'll make it look like southern Utah and Moab and arches and, you know, all the places that are famous for off-roading. I'm gonna give you a few details as we go, but for now, this is the end of sort of like the rough outline or the rough development of it.
You're awesome. Liked it. Woo!